Hello champions. Okay, so this is chapter 1, ratio and proportion, indices and logarithms, unit 3, indices. This video is part 3. We were on page 1.22 on question number 18. Up to question number 17, you can see previous two parts, part 1 and part 2 for this unit. Let's start with question 18. There is a small correction in the question since I have checked the previous edition. The correction is this one, x minus 1 raised to 3 by 2. Please make the correction, otherwise you will not get the right answer and you will still keep trying. Okay, so let us simplify the equation and find its value. What do we have? We have x plus y whole raised to 2 by 3 into x minus y whole raised to 3 by 2. Okay, and there is on the whole complete raised to 6. That is why we are going to multiply 6 in the indexes for both. Okay, divided by x plus y, square root means whole raised to 1 by 2 into 6 multiplied by x minus y 3 by 2 into 6. So you can see these both are same. So both numerator and denominator we cut x minus y whole raised to 3 by 2 into 6, and this becomes 3 ones are 3 twos are, okay, and 2 ones are 2 threes are. So x plus y whole raised to 4 divided by x plus y whole raised to 3 is equals to x plus y. Option number C. Okay. Question number 19. Again, it is a very simple question. We can see all the bases have 5 common. Okay, we can denote them in the base of 5. So 125 is 5 power 3 into 2 by 3. Then 5 power 2 divided by 2 since square root. Then 5 power 3 divided by 3 into 5 power 1 divided by 2. So 3 3 cut, 2 2 cut and 3 3 cut. So we have 5 power 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 2, which is equals to 5 power 9 by 2. Let us check the answer. Option number D. None of these. Correct. Question number 20. Again, write it in the base 2 format. So what do we have? We have 2 power 1 by 2 into 2 power 2 into 3 by 4 into 2 power 3 into 5 by 6 into 2 power 4 into 7 by 8 into 2 power 5 into 9 by 10 whole raised to 4 into 3 by 25. Okay, this is multiplication. Okay, so 2 ones are 2 twos are, 3 ones are 3 twos are, 4 ones are 4 twos are, 5 ones are 5 twos are. So what do we have? We have 2 in the denominator of the powers. So we have 2 into 1 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 9 plus 7, 16 plus 9, 25. So 2 raised to 25 divided by 2 into 4 into 3 divided by 25. So 25, 25 cancelled, 2 ones are 2, twos are. So 2 power 6, which is equals to 64, which is an integer. Option number B. Okay. So next question, question number 21. You need to solve this question very carefully and expand the innermost brackets first. So this is the equation. How will we solve it? 1 minus brackets 1 minus 1 by 1 minus x square raised to minus 1 brackets raised to minus 1 by 2. Then brackets are open. 1 minus again brackets 1 minus so minus 1 means we are going to now just a minute. Correct. So 1 minus x square, that is LCM, 1 minus x square minus 1 divided by 1 minus x square whole raised to minus 1 whole raised to minus 1 by 2. So 1 and minus 1 cancelled. So what do we have now? We have 1 plus 1 minus x square divided by x square. This is square whole raised to minus 1 by 2. So again LCM x square plus 1 minus x square divided by x square whole raised to minus 1 by 2. So x square cancel, 1 divided by x square raised to minus 1 by 2 means root of x square, which is equals to x. Option number A. I hope it is clear. Please solve this question carefully again and let me know if you have understood or not so that I can take up in the revision video. Question number 22. Simplify the equation. X raised to n into brackets n minus 1 by n into 1 divided by n plus 1. So simplify. Okay. So what do we have? N into n square minus 1 whole divided by n. Okay. Whole divided by n into 1 divided by n plus 1. So a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So let us expand n square minus 1. So what do we have? X raised to n into n plus 1 into n minus 1 divided by n into 1 divided by n plus 1. So n plus 1 cancelled. N cancelled. So we have x raised to n minus 1. Option number C. Correct. Please solve these equations carefully. Okay. And you will get the right answer. They are very simple. Again, question number 23. The equation format a cube minus b cube. You should already learn by heart these expansions of equation. Let us simplify. I'm going to simplify only this first term and the other two terms will follow the same pattern since they are similar. So simplifying the first term is x raised to L minus m, the denominator m goes above, and brackets L square plus Lm plus m square. Okay, so this is the equation simplification of a cube minus b cube. Hence, what will we write? X raised to L cube minus m cube. Then you have multiplication for m cube minus n cube and n cube minus L cube. Since the bases are same, the numerator, the powers shall be added. When we cancel out, you get x power 0, which is equals to 1. Option number B. Let me know in the comment section if you have understood this question or not. Next, question number 24. Okay, so before solving this question, we can solve it by two methods. There was one more special formula that I have taught you in part 1 starting of this unit, and I hope you remember that. Let me remind you. Okay, so the formula, special formula was, we are going to solve this question by both the methods, with the special formula and without the special formula. So what was the special formula? When x okay, so when x is equals to a by 1 by 3 minus a raised to minus 1 by 3 is given, then x cube plus 3x will be p plus 1 by p. Okay, so am I doing it correct? Just a minute. Sorry, p minus 1 by p. Okay, so if this is already given, the x cube plus 3x will be p minus 1 by p. So with this formula, substitute a to p. I mean, okay, I have already done that. So in the formula, you have to write a minus 1 by a, and while you substitute, you will get p minus 1 by p, option number B. Okay, if you do not remember this equation, let us solve it with the expansion form. Since options are given in x cube plus 3x, that means you have to find out x cube plus 3x. So let us expand. Okay, so x is already given. So what is x cube? Okay, we have to write x cube plus 3x. So x cube means, with this formula, what do we have? P raised to 1 by 3 minus p raised to minus 1 by 3 whole cube plus 3 into p raised to 1 by 3 minus p raised to minus 1 by 3. Expand this first term. We have p raised to 3 divided by 3 is p raised to 1 minus, since this is negative power, we will write it in the denominator, 1 divided by p raised to 1 by 3 into 3 means p raised to 1. Okay, then formula is minus 3a into a minus b. So minus 3ab. AB, if you multiply p raised to 1 by 3 into p raised to minus 1 by 3. So when you add the powers, you get 0, which is equals to 1. So p raised to 0 is equals to 1. So 3 into AB is 1. 3 into a minus b means p raised to 1 by 3 minus p raised to minus 1 by 3, and plus 3 into p raised to 1 by 3 minus p raised to minus 1 by 3. Okay, so since this whole term plus and minus gets cancelled, you are left with p minus 1 by p, right? P minus 1 by p. option number B. Okay. It would be better if you remember this formula so that you can solve it easily, since this type of equations are asked in questions. Okay, next question number 25. Again, this is also a very simple question. You just have to simplify this equation very carefully. Let us see what is given. A divided by 1 plus a power m divided by a power n plus a power m divided by a power p. Since it is given in negative in the numerator, you have to simplify it by writing it in the denominator. A power n divided by a power m plus a power n divided by a power p plus 1 divided by 1 plus a power p divided by a power m plus a power p divided by a power n. Now you just have to LCM it and flip the equation. So I'm going to do, oh no, okay, alright. So I hope you have written the first format. I'm going to simplify it and flip the equation simultaneously. I hope you have written. I'm not going to write this equation again. Okay. So what do we have? Okay, let me do just the simplification part so that you will understand. Okay. So now we have to LCM it. Okay. Since here in the denominator we have a power n and a power p. So what do we have? I'm flipping as well. Or let me just write it again so that I will be able to explain properly. Okay, I'll just explain the first term so that you will understand how the other terms will come as. Okay, so this was the first term. Now LCM, 1 divided by a power n a power p, correct, plus a power p plus, sorry, a power m and a power p plus a power m and a power n. Okay. So similarly, if the equations here are divided, sorry, here divided again by a power n, when you are able to solve the first term, the other terms follow the method since they are same. Now I'm just going to directly simplify it. So what do we have? 1 divided by a power m a power p plus a power n a power p plus a power n a power m divided by a power m a power p. Please check with your solution as well. I hope you are solving it with me and not just depending on my solutions. Okay, and the third term will be, I'll just write it above. Okay, third term over here above. So the third term is a power m, a power n plus a power p, a power n plus a power p, a power m divided by a power m, a power n. Okay, so if you can see all the denominators here, the last ones, these are going to get flipped in the numerator, and all the denominators, the three terms are same, and the above single terms, these becomes together as same. So what do you get? Let me just erase this part so that I can write it over here. and I don't have to clean the board. Okay, so I'll just write it. What do we have now? We have a power n, a power p, plus a power m, a power p, plus a power m, a power n, divided by a power n, a power p, plus a power m, a power p, plus a power m, a power n, and whole get cancelled, you get equals to 1. Option number C. For such big equations, you have very simple solutions. So this answer is option number C. Please solve it again. Okay. Question number 26, again very easy. First term, x power a minus b into a plus b. Okay, so a minus b into a plus b is a square plus a square minus b square. So directly we are going to simplify. X raised to a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. If you're not able to solve this quickly, it will be very difficult for you to solve in time, solve the paper in time with accuracy. So you have to be able to pick up the similarity, the trend, okay, in the other terms as well. Okay, so x power 0 equals to 1, option number A. Question number 27. Again, this is similar equation for the special formula, the formula that we have already studied. When x, again I will remind you the formula, that is when x is equals to a power 1 by 3 plus a power minus 1 by 3 is given. Okay, and you are asked x cube plus 3x. Okay, sorry, you are asked minus x cube minus 3x, then the answer is p plus 1 by p. So here this equation is, hold on, so here this equation is 3 into x cube minus 3x, right? Minus 3x, correct? So we have 3 into x is 3 power 1 by 3 plus 3 power minus 1 by 3. Sorry, we just have to write, I mean a plus, oh, I'm sorry. Okay, so 3 into x cube minus 3x is equals to 3 into a, what was a? 3 power 1 by 3 plus 3 power minus 1 by 3. So what do we have? We have 3 into 3 ones are 3, 4 by 3 plus 3 into minus 4 by 3. Let me just check once again. Am I doing it correct? Something is missing over here. Okay, let me solve it in the expanded form as well. Okay, so that you will understand this in a better way. However, we can solve it through the special formula as well. So, in the expanded form, what do we have? You have to make use of a plus b whole cube formula. Okay, so let us first expand 3 into 3 by 3 raised to 1 by 3 plus 3 into plus 3 raised to minus 1 by 3 whole cube minus 9 into 3 power 1 by 3 plus 3 raised to minus 1 by 3. Okay, so a plus b whole cube formula. What do we have? 3 into 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 3 into 3 raised to 1 by 3 plus 3 raised to minus 1 by 3. Okay, minus 9 into 3 raised to 1 by 3 plus 9 into 3 raised to minus 1 by 3. Okay, so let us expand this one. 3 into 3 9 plus 1 plus 9 into this term 3 by 1 by 3 plus 9 into 3 by minus 1 by 3 and this above term completely, which is in negative, and I have written this incorrectly. This has to be negative as well since whole uh, whole is minus outside the bracket. Hence, this minus minus terms will get cancelled and you get 9 plus 1, which is equals to 10. Option number B. I want you to try this by solving it with the special formula. Okay. Next question, question number 28. Again, it is a very simple question. Now, the equations are given and you have to find out x, y, z. Let us first multiply all the three equations. What do we get? We get RHS equals to ABC and LHS equals to A power x, B power y and into C power z. So when you multiply the given equations, we are getting this, right? So therefore all the variables should be equal. Here the powers are 1. So x into so that their multiplications also get uh, you know multiplications should be equals to 1. So there has to be similarity with the power when you divide this. So x power y, x, y, z should be equals to 1. Okay. Now, if you don't understand this part, we can solve it in this method. Okay. So, okay. So we can also solve it through the method of constants. Again, there are many methods. I hope you understood when both the powers are when both the bases are equal on the either side of the equation, the powers are also same. The powers were 1, hence the multiplications are 1. Question number 29. Again, we have similar terms. So by solving first term, we can directly copy paste the other terms. So what do we have in the first term? X power a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Which formula is this? This is a cube minus b cube formula. Correct? So what do we have? X raised to a cube minus b cube plus b cube minus c cube plus c cube minus a cube. So once you cancel, you get x power 0 equals to 1. Option number A. Question number 30. Again, it is simple. In the given equation, all of them can be equal only if power is 0. Correct? Because anything raised to 0 is equals to 1. However, anything divided by 0 is undefined. Therefore, the answer is none of these. So, This is just a plain explanation. I'm going to prove it. Okay. So hold on. Hold on. Okay. So let us see. So with the help of constants, so 2 power x is equals to 3 power y is equals to 6 power minus z is equals to k. Okay. So let us simplify what is x equals to in terms of uh, okay. So just a minute. Yeah, correct. So 2 is equals to k power 1 by x, correct? 3 is equals to k power 1 by y, and 6 is equals to k power minus 1 by z. Okay. Now we already have this given equations, right? This equations. So we can write 6 as 2 into 3, correct? And 2 into 3, this part we are going to multiply. Okay. Listen carefully. Okay. So 2 is k power 1 by x whole 1 by x whole raised to x, so into x into 3 raised to 1 by y into y is equals to okay 6 raised to minus 1 by z into z. Okay, so hold on. Okay, just a minute, just a minute. So let me simplify it again. 2 into 3 is equals to 6. So k raised to 1 by x into k raised to 1 by y is equals to k raised to minus 1 by z. So k into 1 by x plus 1 by y is equals to k raised to minus 1 by z. Again, you're going to take the power to the left hand side. Since the power is same, the since the base is same, power is also same. So 1 plus x plus 1 by y, 1 by x plus 1 by y is equals to minus 1 by z, and 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is equals to 0, not 1, 0. Correct? I hope you understood option number B. So here we complete this unit. Thank you.